Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, I want to discuss to you about implicit differentiation. Implicit and explicit forms. Implicit form this 1, xy equals 1. Then, ang explicit form this 1, y equals 1 divided x equals x to the power of negative 1. Then the derivative forms this 1, dy divided dx equals negative x to the power of 2 equals negative 1 divided x squared. Then explicit y in terms of x, while ang implicit y and x together. Differentiating, want to be able to use either. Then, differentiating with respect to x, derivatives d divide dx. Deriving when denominator agrees, use properties. Then, deriving when denominator disagrees, use chain rule and properties. So, this is the denominator agrees properties. Then, this is the denominator disagree chain rule. Then, implicit differentiation, try to find dx divide dx. So, there are a lot of guidelines of implicit differentiation. First is differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x. Then, number 2, collect all terms involving dy slash dx on the left side of the equation and move all other terms to the right side of the equation. Then 3, factors dy slash dx out of the left side of the equation. Then 4, solve for dy rather slash dx. Then derive explicitly. This is, we need to derive. So, example, x squared plus y squared equals 5. So, how to get this one? So, y equals plus minus 5 square root of 5 minus x squared. Dy divide dx equals 1 divide plus negative 2 square root of 5 minus x squared times negative 2x. Then dy divide dx equals positive negative x divide square root of 5 minus x squared. Since y equals plus negative square root of 5 minus x squared, dy divide dx equals negative x and y. Negative x divide y rather. This is the derivative, derive explicitly. Then derive implicitly, this one. So, x squared plus y squared equals 5. So, x squared ay 2x rather plus 2y dy divide dx equals 0. Then 2x dy divide dx equals negative 2x. Then y dy divide dx equals negative x. Then dy divide dx equals negative x divide y. So this is the implicitly. Then derive implicitly, y equals 3x y to the power of 4. dy divide dx equals 3xy to the power of 4 plus 4y to the power of 3. dy divide dx 3x. Then dy divide dx minus 4y 3 dy divide dx x3 times equals 3x to the power of 4, then y minus 4y to the power of 3, then 3x equals 3x to the power of 4. Then 1 minus 12xy to the power of 3 equals 3xy to the power of 4. Then 3xy to the power of 4, then 1 minus 12xy to the power of 3. Then, example, how to find the derivative. So, this is the example. x3 minus 2x squared y plus 3xy to the power of 2 equals 32. So, how to get this one? So, we need to solve it. So, 3x2 minus 4x, this one. So, you need to see this one. This is the solving. So, the answer is dy divided dx equals 3x squared minus 4xy plus 3y squared divided by negative 6xy plus 2x squared. So, this is the final answer. Then, example, determine the slope at the point. How to get the slope at the point? So, when the example point is 1 and 1. X cubed plus y cubed equals 2xy. Then 3x squared plus 3y squared. Dy divided dx equals 2x plus dy divided dx squared. 2x rather. 3y squared dy divided dx minus 2x dy divided by dx equals 2y minus 3x squared. Dy divided by dx times 3y squared minus 2x equals 2y minus 3x squared. Then dy divided by dx equals 2y minus 3x squared divided by 3x squared minus 2x. So, this is the final answer. And now, x squared plus y squared equals 2x. So, this is the diagram. So, that's all, and thank you.